Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching TubeMint. In this video I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on Windows 10. So in order to install and run WordPress locally on your system Windows 10, you need to have your local environment set up for running the server, creating a database, and then serving it on the browser. So we have a lot of packages. One of them is XAMPP that gives you Apache and MySQL. So that's all you need: Apache, MySQL, and PHP. And you already have a Windows 10 system. So to get the XAMPP control panel or the package, you simply go ahead and look for Apache friends.org, and here you can download this Apache XAMPP Apache, which comes with Apache, MariaDB, PHP, and Perl. You can get one for your Windows 10 operating system from here. So just click on it and install it. Okay, so I already have installed it. I'm not going to install it again. So I'm going to close this page. However, I will leave this link in the description area. Now, once you have your XAMPP installed, just launch it. If requires, you just have to restart your computer. Then you have to start Apache and MySQL. Now you can go ahead and get Apache on your system. You can test it, you can check it whether it's running. So simply type localhost and hit enter on any browser. So this means your Apache is installed and it's running. Now let's go ahead and check if PHP is working. So just click on it here. So PHP is already working. It's 7.3.0. If you want to check whether you have access to the MySQL database, just click on PHP My Admin here. Now it's going to pull up the PHP My Admin dashboard area. You can see here you've got all the databases. So this means you can create a database and you are good to go. So that's the basic requirement to install WordPress locally on your Windows 10 computer. Now let me quickly go ahead and install WordPress for you. So go to wordpress.org on any of your preferred browser and just hit on get WordPress. Now scroll down. At the moment it's going to be 5.1.1, but whenever you're going to install WordPress, the process is going to be the same. So go to wordpress.org/download, or just hit on, if you are on wordpress.org, click on that get WordPress link here on the right top. Then you have to download it. So download it by clicking this big download WordPress 5.1.1 or whatever release it is at that moment. Once it's downloaded, you want to extract it or unzip it. So I'm going to open the folder. Just you have to locate the folder and right click and extract all. This is asking where you want to extract it, so I want to keep in the same folder. So it's going to take a moment here. Just for your information, when we are going to install WordPress locally on our system, we need to have a database created. So I'm going to create a database in the meanwhile. So I'm going to PHP My Admin. So you simply have to type localhost/PHP My Admin, and you will see the same dashboard, PHP My Admin dashboard. So to create a database, you simply click on this new icon or hit here on the databases. I'm going to click on this new and then going to give it a name. So WP Win. Okay, so that means that's the name of the database. Whatever name you want to give it, you can go ahead and give it. In case if you do not see Latin, one Swedish, you don't need it. Okay, you simply have to have the collation selected, and then hit create. Now you can see this is WP when database. So we have created our database now. Let's go back and see if it's been already extracted. So it's almost done here. I will also leave this link, the download link for WordPress, in the description area so you can get from there. Now I do not need this PHP my admin thing. I'm going to close it. But just for demonstration, what happens after installation, I will leave it live. I will definitely not need this in the process. So it's been already extracted. You can see here it is. So if you just open it, you got everything, whatever is there in WordPress code base. Okay, so now I'm just going to put it on the right, and I'm going to open one more Windows Explorer here. So simply File Explorer, and I'm going to keep it on the left. Now what you have to do, just click this PC and then go to C drive wherever your Windows 10 is installed. Open it, and then you'll see you've got XAMPP. Just open it again and just look for htdocs, which is on, I think it's 6th number. Now here in htdocs we have to create a folder name, or you can simply drag this WordPress in this htdocs area, and this has been pasted over here, you can see. So we will leave it as it is, and I'm going to close this extracted folder here and htdocs folder, in which we have basically extracted or just copy paste the WordPress extracted folder. Now what you have to do, you simply have to open a new tab or a new browser window and go to localhost and the name of the folder. Okay, so in our case it's WordPress, and then hit enter. And this is where you start installing WordPress on your system. So make sure everything is running like Apache and MySQL. Select your language and hit continue. Now it requires database name, username, password for the database, and host, database host. We already have one, so let's go ahead and click let's go. Now database name is WP when, whatever name you have given. So with the XAMPP installation, we have a username that's root, okay, and that has no password. So simply leave it blank. Database will be the local host. This can be changed, but I'm going to leave as it is, table prefix, and then hit submit. Now you have to, alright Sparky, you have made it through this part of installation. Now hit run installation. Now here simply site name, so I'm going to say WP when, username is going to be admin, password is going to be admin, and confirm it's going to be weak password. Email address, you can check this box, discourage search engines from indexing this site, and then hit install WordPress. Here we are. So this is success page. This says WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. Log in. Okay, we have our username and password. Just enter them and hit login. So that's basically WordPress dashboard area on your Windows 10 computer. Now if you want to see what it looks like, this is Windows 10, WordPress on Windows 10, and this is basically default theme, which is 2019 theme. Here it is. You can change the theme if you want to activate 2017, and go ahead and refresh it. So that's how it looks like. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you were able to install WordPress on your Windows system, the Windows 10. If you have any issues, simply leave your comment in the comment area. I will try to answer it as soon as possible. Thank you once again. Have a good day. Happy coding. Bye for now.